Hi, I'm Mark, this is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and let's do a quick review of the brand new Magtame Staycable. So Magtame reached out to me recently and offered to send me their new Staycable, and having used some of their cables before, I wanted to see what this was like. That means I haven't paid for this cable, but it's also not an expensive cable, and this isn't a paid or sponsored review. That means you're going to get my honest opinions throughout. So these cables from Magtame are high quality braided cables with one extra feature I'll talk about in a minute. They're suitable for fast charging but also fast data transfer. One of the best things is that for a high quality cable, these actually only retail at about £10. This makes them really good value for the quality of cable. And their big selling point and that extra feature I talked about is that the top of them is magnetic. That means if you use it with the included magnetic sticker in the box, you can basically use that on the edge of your desk and make sure the cable never falls down. This is perfect for cables perhaps you have on the back of your desk that you don't use very often, or cables on a bedside table. It means you can keep things nice and tidy and out of the way without losing your cable and having to crawl under a desk. And this alludes quite nicely to what's in the box. You simply get the cable, and then you also get two magnetic stickers, a bigger one and a slightly smaller one. This is great because it gives you a spare, but Magtame also say these will not leave any sticky residue. Now there's a whole variety of these cables you can get, and they come in a choice of black or grey. You can also choose between whether you want USB-A to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C. They also offer a USB-C to Lightning and a USB-A to Lightning as well. Now the speeds these cables can handle will depend on which cable you get. So the USB-A to USB-C supports up to 27 watts charging. The USB-C to USB-C supports up to 60 watts. Now I've only tried out the USB-A to USB-C and the USB-C to USB-C. So let's talk about the design. So these cables have a nice braided design and feel really premium and well made. The magnetic end has a silver join and it looks pretty smart. One thing I do think would be cool is if Magtame had combined this with the magnetic cable I reviewed a few months ago, which allowed you to coil it and keep it in place without it falling apart. These cables would be absolutely perfect for travelling because they don't knot themselves, and it would be nice to see this feature into these cables as well, although it would have certainly pushed the price up. If you do want to check out those magnetic cables from a few months back, I'll link that video below. Those cables, however, do set the standard for what I'm expecting from these in terms of durability, and they have been really durable, so I'd expect that same quality from these cables going on. So let's talk about using them. And I've been using them for a couple of weeks now. And these cables are pretty much designed around daily use around the home, and in places where you're going to want a cable, but perhaps you want to keep it tidied away. And as I said, the idea is simple. You attach the magnetic pad to the back of the desk or the side of your bedside table, and then the cable simply clips there when you're not using it. Magtame also show it being used in a car, which I can see being really useful as well. Now, I've been using one of these on my bedside table and one of these on my office, and that magnetic thing does work really well, and it keeps my desk and bedside table free of a cable when I'm not using it, but allows me to easily grab it when I want to charge something. I've tested them for fast charging and data transfer and just general charging, and they do work really well. And whilst this idea is super simple, it's actually really clever. And as someone who likes to keep all their cables nice and tidy, it helps me achieve that. And that's all I've got to say on these cables. They're good quality, they work well, and that magnetic feature is great. If you do want to pick them up, I'll put a link below. If you've got any questions, stick them below and I'll answer those for you. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again soon.